the LG V20 here, and today I'm doing a video on the Nokia 3.1A for AT&T PREPAID. So this is a budget phone for AT&T PREPAID. It's currently out of stock right now. So yeah, guys might be able to get some storage or something like that. So it's available on buy, 32 gigabytes of storage. The price is not that much. I don't know the exact price. Wait, don't be honest with you. Yeah, this is a budget plan for AT&T PREPAID. You get a 5.45 inch AC plus display, 80 by 9 screen, right on 8 megapixel rear camera, dual system angular motion, and 2,998 mAh battery. I don't know how that everything has shown up or whatever. This is the Nokia 3.1A. There it is. There it is. Client back inside there. This is an Android Pie on it. It has that bullshit at the bottom for the home screen. So this is Pie. It has camera flash on back and Nokia logo, AT&T logo, and speaker on the back. Power buttons on the right side, so audio button keys as well. On top of the Nokia 3.1A, you guys have motion addition microphone and head charger. On the bottom, Type-C charger and the microphone. And the specs on this Nokia 3.1A, like I said, this is a budget phone, so keep that in mind. Given measurements are 6.1 inches height, 2.83 inches width, and 0.37 inches depth. The Nokia 3.1A is 5.5 ounces. Like I said before, the display is 5.45 inches, 7.3 HD plus, 1440 by 720 pixels, 16 colors. Here you have an 8 megapixel rear facing camera, 4K videos at 30 frames per second, 5 megapixel front facing camera. You have square panorama photo, video, and time lapse videos there. Battery, like I said, 2,999 battery. Battery is not removable. 18 hours of talk time, 34 hours of standby time. Takes 41 minutes to charge to 50% and 124 minutes to charge fully. So there you have it. 2 GHz quad core, Snapdragon 429. 32 gigabytes of storage, 128 gigabytes of micro SD card expansion, 2 gigabytes of RAM, Android Pie, like I said. Get us your Android 10. We will have to wait and see about that. Has voice dialing and voice memo with 4 studio system on there as well. You have 4G LTE. You have 2, 4, 5, 12, 14, 30 bands. GSM. Of course, it's a world phone, which is a quad band, 8 doors, Wi-Fi calling, AT&T video call capable, Wi-Fi connectivity, 802.11, EG, and I'm not sure what that is for Wi-Fi. You have 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.8, mobile hotspot up to 5 devices, wireless emergency alerts, yes, and then nano SIM card is the type of SIM card that takes with this phone here. The apps that you guys get with this phone, there's a lot of apps from AT&T, guys. Now that you have AT&T Protect, AT&T Smart Wi-Fi, AT&T Vision Voicemail, Feature Report Live, CNN, DC Universe, Device Help, Device Online, Device Mine, HP, and My AT&T, Second, Trash, and Walmart. Okay, there's so much apps stuff from AT&T. You get the Nokia apps here, you get calendar, clock, contacts, files, and messaging from Nokia themselves. Google apps is y'all guys can get all the Google apps here. Google Chrome is your default browser. Google Drive, Google Duo, Google App, Gmail, Maps, Play Movies, Play Music, Play Store, Photos, and YouTube. So that's nice. And you get My AT&T, which provides fast, easy account access virtually anywhere, anytime. And you get games app that gave you the games app and the Game of Thrones Conquest pre-installed on that, which you'll how about that? Click the download, but you can download the game if you guys want. And like I said, Google Chrome is your default browser for the Nokia 3.1A. If sometimes you got a side number, and you have my JavaScript proximity, digital messages and email layer. Music is in music for you. Accessibility is the standard over there. Product ads, so in the box is JavaScript, the AC adapter, USB-C cable, quick start guide, and that's pretty much it. I don't know why the overview section will not load. I don't know why that is. It's kind of interesting. But there you guys have it, the Nokia 3.1A. It's available now on AT&T PREPAID. Is currently out of stock online. But you guys remember that we all remember this on the stores for AT&T PREPAID, so check it out. This one is already available for $50 as a Nokia 3.1C for Cricket. So there you guys have it. A budget friendly Nokia, looks very nice, pretty decent specs. This is a budget friendly, like I said. So there you guys have it. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. So let's know what. Please comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for listening to my video, and I will see you guys next. Peace out.